I am here in Mogadishu and I'm really enjoying wonderful place for destinations, and people are so friendly and nice, and I'm happy to be here. I love this place, Lido Beach, and the food is fantastic. The seafood was great. I can come back here again, and it's a beautiful place. Nice weather, nice food, nice people, and beautiful beach. So far, so good. Oh my God, that's a lot. I only. Can you give me another plate? This is so good. Lily have this by herself?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
She loves to eat. She can finish this.
Yeah.
What is this?
Shrimps, yeah.
And where's the lobster? This one is the
This
lobster?
is the lobster.
This is too big for me. I want Somalian seafood. Wow.
Brilliant.
Grilled. I loved it.
Yeah, we love it.
Somali people are beautiful, especially the women, a young guy, and it's a beautiful place here to take a visit, you know, and such a amazing, you know, beach, and people are nice, you know, and friendly.
Welcoming.
Very welcoming. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Very nice.
Somalia.
Somalia!
Somalia.
Somalia!
Somalia.
Somalia! I couldn't believe how much money. I'm very wealthy here in Somalia with all this money. Very nice.
Very nice. Wonderful.
This is the best. The best part of my trip. I'm rich. I'm a millionaire here.
Yeah.
It's very many money.
Look here.
Look at this. Look at all this money I have. I'm very wealthy here in Somalia. I love it. I want to stay so I can, you know, live a good life here. All right.
Good. Yes. Yes.
Tuk-tuk, imagine tuk-tuk from Somalia. I'm here.
You're the first one.
I'm the first one to take a tuk-tuk.
Yeah, the first time? This is the first time?
The first time to take a
Say
tuk-tuk.
something.
Oh, this is fantastic. You know, seeing the camel here is so nice. It's so much things to offer here in Somalia. Please come to Somalia.